The moment a nuclear bomb detonates, it unleashes an unimaginable force. The explosion creates a towering mushroom cloud, a grotesque symbol of destruction. In mere seconds, entire cities can be reduced to rubble, their histories erased. The heat is so intense that it ignites everything in its path, leaving behind a wasteland. But the devastation doesn't stop there. The poisonous cloud that rises carries radioactive particles, contaminated air and water, creating a toxic legacy that lingers for generations. The consequences are dire: long-term health issues, genetic mutations, and a scarred environment. Crater, once vibrant, now lies in ruins, a haunting reminder of humanity's capacity for destruction. This is not just a catastrophe, it's a wake-up call about the fragility of life and the responsibility we hold for our planet.